I'm a diva from head to toe, and it's getting better every day. I don't cook, I don't wash dishes, and I do not do windows, because I'm a diva. I like shopping, I hate going to the grocery store, I hate washing clothes, I like painting my nails. It's exciting.